Here we are, December 1st, 2012. Some decorations. Holiday pillows up. Couple decorations there. Activity. Couple presents under the tree. What could they be? Just dropped the Pellegrino bottle tonight on the ground. Shattered everywhere. The floor's a little wet, but all clean. Let's see. And our stockings by the fire.
What are you saying?
Oh,
Oh, making video. Hi.
I was gonna come get you making your ornaments.
Oh, I finished.
Done already?
Pretty much.
There's the beast. And Jude's. Oh, doesn't want to go. We'll give him the option. Look what we got here. Just bought this thing yesterday. Can't really zoom out. There we go. Better perspective. First car I've ever bought, age 30. So, well, actually, there's the first car I've ever bought. Also age 30. Two cars, same year, but this is a real car. So some cool things on this thing. Special appearance package. Bundled package with a bunch of options, but limited to... What's this? Limited to brown leather interior. So I know the light's not good in here, but brown trim floor mats, and comes with a nav screen we've been playing with, and heat warmers, and all the bells and whistles Subaru has to offer. So we're real excited and happy, and just kind of having fun with this thing. Dual exhaust muffler. Push to start.
Being crafty. Making a Christmas ornament.
How'd you make them?
With sand from Ocean Beach.
Ocean Beach.
Oh, look.
Oh, yeah. That's where the rest of the sand went?
Mm-hmm.
That's the candle that we got like last year, I think, from Sullivan's?
Yeah.
Or it was the housewarming, that's what it was. So you're only doing half the balls?
Yeah, they're gifts. And then for us, and then the others I'm going to do another little craft with.
There's where I get all pumped with the... Let's scare the beast.
He hates to be left out.
Oh. was staring like right at me.
Here's your trouble.
Trouble. SC posters from this season. What a disaster.
Tear those down.
We'll take down, we should take down the season posters. We'll leave up the SC banner. Obviously, we're not complete Weather fans, but what an embarrassment. Where do you want these tacks?
Upstairs. Or you can just leave them in the garage.
But we'll lose them if we leave them in the garage.
Then upstairs, the other tacks.
Okay. What else? Some other features of the Subaru. It's got this black bezeling inside. 2013s have a little different, a little larger fog light. Got the silver door handles, side mirrors, and I think that even the signal on the side mirrors is part of that as well too. I think all of these come with a cladding along the bottom. Heli wheels, 17-inch mud guards, front and rear. They're on the rockers. Moon roof. Also unique to Subaru in 2013 is memory seats, which is, I've never had them before. They've been around obviously a while, but they're fun. We have both our keys are coded to our personal settings, so whoever unlocks the door, the seat knows which key that is because it's the sensor. When you get close to the car, the car talks to the key, and that's all it needs. You just leave the key in your pocket, and the seat automatically adjusts to that key, which I think's one of the coolest, surprising features I've found in the car so far. Obviously, there's the Subaru sill plate, I think that's called. Can't really see. There's like actually the parking brake is kind of a little different. We got lighting's real bad here. STI sport pedals. Yeah, you can't even see them. Control the auto dimming mirror. Control the garage door from that, which is welcome to modern technology. There's a couple of gizmos here I don't even know yet on the steering wheel. The iSet function. I have to look at what that is. Research that. Work on that maybe tomorrow. Otherwise, those are most of the goodies. It's a fun drive. You can really corner well in this thing. With as high as it sits, 8 and a quarter, 8 3/4, something like that. All right. So what are you gonna do with those? Hang on the tree? Or?
One's for us, one's for my parents, one's for your friends, one's for Dad and Katie.
Cool. Do they have to sit right there? It's kind of right in the middle of my zone.
Right, but all the stuff's in your zone.
All right, I'll just move it over at some point.
Should I do that now?
Got to get it to my zone. There's the key, so it looks like. Got to get to my zone. This video will take like 3 days to upload because upload to YouTube sucks. I figured out the issue is it's like it has to convert it from whatever format it has it on my computer to like a format that's acceptable for YouTube, and so it's converting it and it's uploading it. And that's the issue. Yeah. Here, Judes. Here's the best videos of my animal. Everyone loves those. Animal videos.
Oh, that was cool.
Ornament, yeah. I'm gonna go upload this thing. Alright. Come look at it.
No, turn that off.
Why? Oh, yeah, the candle up top.
No. It lights up nice.
It does. It's not gonna be too hot for this Beeswax, is it? Ooh.
Is it
Yeah, this is like,
too hot?
feel that.
Yeah, but it's going straight up. Feel the side.
All right. Well, you have to keep an eye on it. Maybe not light it tonight, but just keep an eye on it. 'Cause it's beeswax, so it could melt.
No, that's why it said to put the finger in the sand.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you're following the directions. It's designed for that.
I didn't just put sand in there for fun.
I don't know. I wasn't sure what you were doing.
Oh, that's very good.
Look great. I'm gonna leave these lights on or turn them off. Are you coming back down?
Stop videoing.
Okay, video's off. Video's not off. To the labyrinth. Falcon Northwest, beast of machine. I need a new water bottle. Hey, can you grab a water bottle from downstairs? Pellegrino bottle dropped. To bookend the video. Okay. What? What's that? Just one bottle, yeah.